Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh and good evening, especially to our lecturer, Madam Nur Haslinda binti Harun, and to all my friends. My name is Muhammad Zairi Yusof. I'm from class 802201A, UiTM Kepahang. My subject is AGR464 Crop Insect Management. Ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to share about major pests of rubber. My project title, Pests of Rubber which can destroy Malaysian Hibia nursery. I want to share about species name Coptotemus cubinetus. Okay, before going to the introduction, we need to understand uh, what is pest. A pest is any organism which has harmful effect on human, their food or their living condition. In Malaysia, termite a major pest in Hibia nursery. There are about 180 different species of termite we found. Termite can play important role in the world ecosystem in nature. They act as a cycler to help to improve the quality of soil structure. However, termite become a problem when they have exploited our food source, environment, building structure, and household furniture. Research team from Entomology Section of National Rubber Board (MRB) have been conducted a study on the distribution of the diversity of species of termite in Hibia cultivation area. From the study, they have found that 20 different species of termite and Coptotemus species is the most destructive termite found in Hibia plant. Termites are most common pests that cause damage to Hibia plant in Malaysia, and in most cases may result to dead plant. Okay, to understand to termite, it is important to look at the taxonomy identification. This is important in identify species to avoid we kill species of termite are beneficial to the plant, to the plantation. Okay, taxonomy termite. Scientific classification, kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Blattidae, family Rhinotometidae, subfamily Coptotemetidae, genus Coptotemus, and species Cubinetus. Okay, how to recognize this species? Termite from Coptotemus cubinetus species is a subterranean termite which usually nests in the ground. This species does not build nests mound. In this make it difficult to determine its location even in this increasingly difficult situation when termite also build many nests and satellite sites. Trees that were attacked are not necessarily adjacent to termite nests. This is because the patch of termite nest can reach the mate up to 100 meter, and between the patch toward becoming then off-stem satellite. Okay, from clearly can see video.
Jom
This
kita
is easiest way to
Saya punya
identify the
subjek.
species. Okay, termite can be
Ada.
identified from termite soldier
Ni dia.
that has a yellow head and a sharp mandible beside issuing white liquid when
Dia
it
keluarkan
is
cahaya warna putih.
disturbed. Okay, you can see the picture, the video. Okay, termite soldier.
Yang tu.
Okay, the termite life cycle. Like most insects, termite begin their life as egg. But unlike bees or ants, the Hymenoptera classes, the termite are said to resemble. These pests go through a process of development known as incomplete metamorphosis. In an incomplete metamorphosis, the termite progress through the three different life stages. First, egg, nymph, and adult. Okay, you can see the picture, life cycle, egg, nymph, and adult. This is we call kekatu and queen. Okay, causes of termite. Firstly, we need to identify the causes of termite attack. The first one, accumulate waste-like stump, tree top, or branches on end in the soil during replanting after additional for the termite. Second, damage bark of the residual trees causes during tending, thinning, and pruning by termite. The damage can be result of fallen trees. And the third, unsuitable nursery technique result in low quality and thus unhealthy seedlings that are more likely to be attacked by termite. Okay, symptom of termite. Next, let's check the symptom of termite attack in plant which most frequently occur in mature trees. First, we can see the effect of the mud or soil, which used to be a marker for termite attack often seen in trees of 5 years and above. It is rarely found in plants that are less than 5 years. Effect of mud or dirt trap in this is a gallery built by termite to protect it from threat from the external environment, especially predator. The effect of this land will cover the entire area of trees that have been attacked. The mortal attack that have hardened around the stem punching effect termite. Symptom of termite attack is almost invisible, especially in rubber trees that are less than 5 years. Symptom of severe attack can only be detected when the leaf begin the curl and yellowing, which show to the root have been damaged, or only when the tree is failed by a wisdom. Okay, prevention and control. Detection of nest termite in rubber plantation is very difficult and requires a high cost. Thus, the first step is to maximize the process of land preparation. Cleaning wood stump must be done perfectly because it will be reduce potential for termite build up their nest. Whereas the plantation are not clear probability have a chance being attacked by termite. Okay, how to control termite in the rubber plantation? First, we have to carry out periodic inspection as yearly at 3 months after planting. For the areas, region have history of the termite attack, the inspection must be done at least one a month. Okay, we use chemical treatment method. We have to follow the safety equipment such as a glove. Clothes should be practical while doing the treatment. Okay, firstly, we have to identify the trees attacked by termite. The recommended control procedure is the liquid method in which the insecticide is poured around the base of an attacked tree to run down by the taproot. A shallow channel is dug around the base of the trunk to prevent the liquid from spreading. The amount of liquid to each tree should vary with a size and should be 2 liters and more. Any markwork present on the trunk is scraped away before applying the insecticide. The insecticide recommended again termite emulsion of chlorpyrifos 31.2% or approximately 1.5% to be equal effective. The relative dosage should be above chlorpyrifos 21.2% 4 ml per liter or alpha sulfametrin 1.5% 66 per liter. They are effective for protecting the trees from the attack for 6 months and 1 year in more soil. Okay, you can see the schedule 1. The insecticide recommended against termite, alpha supplementary 1.5%, uh, 66 per liter. Okay, below 5 years, 264 ml per 4 liter water. After 5 years, 330 ml plus 5 liter water. Okay, for chlorpyrifos, 31.2%, 4 liter per mil. Before 5 years, below 5 years, 16 ml per liter per 4 liter water. And after 5 years, 20 ml for 5 liter water. Okay, later you can the picture. Method of treatment. Step 1. Preparation of chemical pesticide according to be recommended dosage. Okay, step 2. A shallow channel is dug around the base of the trunk to prevent the liquid from spreading. Okay, step 3. Make some scratch around the tree Step 4 and the last step, watering on the surface of mudwork or watering at the base of the tree on tree that do not have mudwork. Okay, once the tree have been attack treatment, the same treatment should be made on 8 plant around in and this make the number of tree that need to be taken care of each tree is a 39. Follow-up should be done 6 months after the treatment is done. If there is another attack, then care should be taken. Okay. Closing and conclusion. The rubber tree termite is a serious problem. Only a new planting where jungle will remain. There is not practical way of eradicating it. The pest can be rid from attack trees by termite by a method that give prolonged protection which is cheap and which can be applied to very plant in the worst effect areas of young rubber. Cotolerma combinators, if denied access to the living trees, can be equated with too many others termite that play a useful role in the soil. The pest will disappear is as the original jungle clearing disappear with time. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for watching. My name is Muhammad Zain Yusof. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.